On June 5, 2024, now you can see that this is my mature plant of haworthia retusa. It is also called as the cushion aloe or star cactus. So now you can see that there is a one major plant, big plant, and then there are a lot of side pups. Now we will try to propagate it from the side baby plants or side pups. So now you can see that there are a lot of babies. So now we just need to remove them out from the mother plant. They have developed certain roots, although they are connected with the mother plant, but still they also have their own roots as well. Now this is my third plant, and this one is my fourth. And one more thing, that these haworthias, they used to grow best in autumn and spring. So we can take a lot of time in order to make a new plant. Okay, so now we have taken like more than 7 to 8 baby plants. Okay, so this one. Okay, now we will again put it in the media. Okay, now so now I am zooming it out so that you can see the cuttings properly. Some cuttings may be the small one or without roots. Okay, on June 10, 2024, I am doing the voiceover, so that is why you will not see any sort of change in my voice. Now you can see that we have taken the media, and media consists of simple sand and simple garden soil. The composition may differ from pot to pot, okay, but still simple is that they contain simple garden soil 50% and 50% construction sand. I have added the sand so that my drainage will be good. So 1, 2, 3, and this one is 4. Now we are leveling our media with the help of this cape. Now our media has been leveled up. Now we will make certain holes inside our media so that we can adjust the plants inside these. Okay, so now I need to insert the plants like this. So this is my first cutting. Now this one is second one, and they are a little bit dehydrated due to a lot of days they are without media. So due to this fact, they are a little bit wilted up. I have inserted the haworthia in the media, and now you can see that it has been planted properly. This is my third cutting, and it goes very well. And this one is my fourth one. Okay, now give them a little bit more water so that they will overcome their dehydration. Now the fifth one. Now this one is our big side baby pup. So okay, now you can see properly that how we have inserted all of our baby plants inside the media. And now I'm zooming it out so that you can see the proper composition of the media, that how the media used to look like. Okay, So now we have to keep these in shade, because if you will place these in the full sun, they can go under stress. Okay, on September 13, 2024. Now you can see that we have got our plants and now they are a little bit stabilized, you can see, and they have increased in size. I think that more than 3 months used to pass from June 5 to September like 16 or 15. So a lot of days have been passed. Now I will show you that how slow they used to grow. Now you can see that our this star cactus baby plant is having a very good root ball. It has produced some more or secondary roots as well. So we can say that our experiment has been successful. And now this one is my second baby plant or side pup. Okay, again we have to put these plants within the media, because I myself don't have a lot of these plants, so it is better to insert these back into the media. Now this one is also my plant which I used to plant, but their conditions are not so much healthy. They will take around 2 to 4 months and then they will be okay. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.